is Chaturanga.
Yeah, I'm Chaturanga.
Chaturanga, you speak some English?
Yes, I can speak.
How old are you?
I'm 29. Yes.
29 years old. Okay, and what job are you applying for today?
In the agriculture field, dairy field or food processing field or dairy farm work or agriculture related field.
Okay.
Or food
Are you
processing.
married?
Sorry?
Married?
No, I'm single.
Have you worked with big animals before?
I have some experience in dairy cattle farming. I'm currently work at Coconut Research Institute. There are dairy cattle farm, and I work as a state assistant manager.
Okay, so when I'm interested in this experience that you have in the cattle farm, did you have, you mentioned you were assistant manager, so this means you didn't work directly with the cattle, no? I mean, did you take care of the cows, take them out for feeding, milking them?
Yeah,
Sure.
with current practice now. With current practice now, these practices.
So for how many years was this experience?
In agriculture sector in 4 years now.
I'm interested more in your experience within the agriculture, like the job that we have for male is for animal caretakers, it's an animal farm.
Yeah.
So this is why I asked you if you handled the cows directly or if you just managed people.
Yes, no issue. I can work as a worker or manager. That no issue.
Yeah, but my question is, did you work or you can work?
Yes, I can.
Why Romania?
I know about from my friends work at Romania, and also I think it is a European country, and we have good opportunity to work in European and European culture. Like Romania, I am very interested in that country and work and build my career path.
Only there or other European countries?
Romania is okay. I know that's a good country for work and get.
How many years you want to stay?
That's no idea. I can live in 10 years or something.
Okay. What is your salary expectation?
I think I expected nearly 2.5 lakhs.
It will not happen, as for this kind of jobs, the maximum you will get is 2 lakhs.
2 lakhs. Okay. Yes, my expenditure is nearly 2 lakhs. So 1.5 lakhs. 1.5 lakhs in currently.
Okay. You have any questions for me?
We have an any opportunity in agriculture field in Romania?
Yes, I just explained to you that we have an opportunity for an animal farm.
Yes.
That's okay?
Okay.
All right. So what we will do is we will send a proposal to our employers, and then we'll get back to you by next week.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.